morning. I have to run 6 miles to stay at the gym, and I'm supposed to start my period, so black it is. Oh, balls. Do you guys see this pimple of my life? Oh my gosh, it burns. Balls. Owie. On the days that I know I'm going to be washing my hair, like today after running, I like to put a decent amount of like products in my hair so it soaks it all in, and then I can just rinse it out. I'm not a cute girl that wears makeup to the gym because if I do, this happens. So we're good to go. Go brush your teeth, please. Just kidding.
Mommy, I'm gonna go on a date with you.
You're gonna go on a date with me? Your hair. Are you brushing? You need a haircut so bad, bud. Excited for school?
Yeah.
Okay. How much toothpaste have you been using? Oh, good job. Ready? Oh, good job. Okay, let's go get your Wawa's.
Code is QR82 for Gary. It's for Cala. No one ever gets my name right. We definitely just went to the gym. I never film while I'm in there because I get really shy and really embarrassed. And I also sweat like a man. And picked Stockton up for school. And he convinced me, pulled my right leg real hard to go to McDonald's. So now we're here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I can hand you the toy in just a second. Oh, that is not it. Ugh.